How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Brandon Jones. All right, you guys requested how to become a cell phone broker. Let's get you started. So basically, once you start with the course, you're going to get information on how to become a cell phone broker. Of course, how to buy cell phones properly, and how to properly sell them, and how to market on different platforms. Also, you will get information on uh, how to get different kinds of cell phones, how to be covered once you buy a cell phone. For example, if a seller, hypothetically speaking, sold you a phone and it's not properly working in any way or form, you automatically covered. Also, how to create a consistent basis income off being a cell phone broker, and also I'll throw a couple tips and tricks in there on how you could also have profit off of other sellers selling for you too as well. So once you get started with the course below, you will get all this information. You want to get this money, yeah. All right, ladies.